Usage of XE wet and dry cleaner. Take out all the parts. Install the handheld pole, the metal connecting pole, and the handle in turn. When you hear click and confirm that the spring strut out of the locating hole, the installation is successful. E. Remove the roller. R. Soak the roller in water. When the roller is completely wet, gently wring out the roller. 3. Install the roller and fix clips in turn. Press the handle down slightly. Gently step on the switch button. Press the switch button again, and the machine stops working.